Ortiz family, we're back with Charlie. And I really want you guys to think about leaving him here and getting some training, because he's not trained. I mean, the jumping up, we saw that. I mean, he's out literally right in your face. So anyway, we're going to start him with the pager, but that jumping and everything, I mean, until you can really get him downing on command, and I mean, without all the bending and pointing and doing all these things, you really can't get rid of that jumping. So we're going to start him with the pager. We've got something called the sound box on. When you hear that buzzing, that's when he feels the pager. You know, but we've had so many of these that were just super duper trained, and you know, compared to them, he's really not meeting his potential, so. So what we do is the first thing you got to do is help him understand that pager's you communicating. Teach him, I don't want the leash made tight. If you're ever going to teach him to heel off the leash. You know, he doesn't understand that. Even if he doesn't want to go, he'll try to back out of the collar. Oh, he just has tons of potential, though. So I'm not trying to force him to walk beside me, but I am definitely bracing myself when he's getting ready to hit the end of that leash. He's very strong. So I'm already starting to be able to turn him with just that pager. Using the leash to communicate, that's not going to work when the leash isn't there.